everyone, welcome back to my channel. Such a pleasure to have you all joining me today. For today's project, we'll be doing two. For the first one, we'll be making a Glam tissue holder. I'll be using this black box, but I'm gonna go and I'm spray painting it silver using the silver spray paint. We'll also be making a soap dish, a soap holder. I'll be using 2 candle holders and a soap dish that I spray paint silver. For this project, I'll be using some bling wrap, silver, and also a purple flowers bling wrap. So what I did, I'd already gone ahead and spray paint my tissue holder. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my diamond wrap to measure the amount that I need for both sides. After measuring it and having my current measure, I'm going to go ahead and use my... Today I'll be using some hot glue to put my diamond bling on. For this, I'll be putting the hot glue and the bling. If you are new to my channel, I want to thank you for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And in order to know when I'm putting out new videos, if you do hit the notification bell, you will get the alerts that Neva has some new videos out. I'm going to be using my purple flowers wrap to put in the middle. After adding my butter, I'm going to put another piece of the diamond rock on the top. For the top of my box, I'm going to use this sticky glitter tape that I have. I'm going to put it as close to the opening. I'm going to use some of my hot glue to take the ribbon, the tape down. Sorry, it's a glitter tape. In order for it to stay in place, I'm going to use some hot glue to keep it down. I'm gonna put it on both sides. Then I'm gonna put some diamond bling wrap on the outside of the two. Okay, this is what we're talking about. I'm gonna put my diamond wrap. Right, this is how it's looking. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of the acrylic gems right on top of the ribbon with my hot glue. Here we go. Right, this is our tissue holder. Now I'm gonna make our soap dish holder or soap holder. Right, so I'm gonna put both of I'm gonna use some E6000 to glue it on top of our candle holder. Oh, I flip it over to on the soap dish, so in order to get some more glue on the bottom so it can hold it together while the E6000 normally take 24 hours to set in and dry. So I'm just gonna use my hot glue to just keep it in place while we put our diamond wrap on. So I already cut my diamond wrap. So I'm just gonna glue to the side, to the 4 sides. All right, here's our final look. It's beautiful, silver and purple. So we have our soap dish, and then we have our tissue holder. Thank you for joining me for one of my projects. It has been a pleasure having you. I appreciate you all. Do have a blessed day.